Since the dawn of time, I have been providing gifts for all the little children. But now, not now, sweetie, go grab a seat. But now I will officially be entering retirement. I will be looking for a replacement, and only one elf can fulfill all my duties. Every elf who wants to enter will be put into the hardest competition I could think of. The Great Christmas Bake Off.
Welcome to the Great Christmas Bake Off. I'm your host, Buddy the Elf. Let's meet our contestants. First up, she protects your sleigh hood and your fireworks. Mess around and find out. It's Melissa Snow.
Hey, Momagers! It's your girl, Melissa Snow, back on your Facebook feed. Don't forget to check your inbox, because per our new HOA guidelines, you can't have snow that goes above 0.75 centimeters without a purchase of our $400 fine.
Oh, no. Melissa, it's such a pleasure to be talking to you.
You smell it.
Up next, he is on everyone's lips and lists. It's Brad Knoll.
What's cooking, good looking?
Hose and mirrors are just getting hot in here. Up next, this diva may be soft and sweet on the outside, but she is one gum popping, heel stomping, and hair bumping cookie. It's Snowski Miller.
Hey, it's Snooki Miller coming at you from the 201.
So, what are you most excited?
Hey, Snooki. Notice what we're standing under? It's a mistletoe. You know what that means.
No, you didn't!
Okay, that's enough. Up next, ring your clock bells. It's Elizabeth Winter.
Oh, hello, love. Remember, I have to be back at the palace by 2. I'm booked and busy.
I'll get your own tortilla biscuits. Let's get the show on the road. Our contestant's goal is to make the best gingerbread cookie. Now, let's see our contestant's special cookies. Melissa, please present me your cookie.
For my cookie, I chose the healthiest thing I could think of. Let's see, it has 0 GMOs, low sodium, sugar-free, vegan, micro-bread gingerbread cookie. Doesn't it look amazing? Do you think this is more than 10 calories? Lucky it's my cheat day. Yum.
Well, I guess this disqualifies you.
You'll be hearing from my lawyers.
Brad, please present me your cookie.
Boy, you're gonna love this cookie.
Brad, is this your hand?
Yes, it is.
Brad, your hand is not a gingerbread cookie.
Boy, I'm the sweetest cookie you could ever try.
Enough from Brad. Snowski, please present me your cookie.
I named him Tony, after my Uncle Tony who paid for my first ever spray tan.
Let's give this a try. Delicious. Well, let's see what this says.
Apologies for my absence. My royal guards would be sending a batch of cookies made by my highest bakers, Your Majesty, Elizabeth Snow.
Well, I guess this makes the winner.
I have a cookie, can I try?
It's beautiful. After a dramatic turn of events, the winner of the Great Christmas Bake Off is Cassie Claus.
Oh my gosh, delicious.